Sorry to keep you waiting.
All right. We're all here now.
But I don't see Hidan or Kakuzu.
That's because they're dead.
I see. The zombie duo. Who did it?
The Leaf Ninja.
Kakashi and that nine-tailed Jinchuriki's team.
They sure are strong, that team. No wonder Deidara got pummeled by them.
Toby!
Silence. I'm not done yet. There was one other killed.
Another? Who?
Orochimaru.
It's been 10 years since he left the Akatsuki. Well, at least we've been spared the task of killing him ourselves. So who was responsible for that one?
Sasuke Uchiha.
Itachi's little brother, eh? The apple sure doesn't fall far from the tree.
But I swore I'd slaughter Orochimaru myself.
Be careful, Itachi, Kisame. Odds are you're their next targets. The rest of you keep Sasuke Uchiha in mind as well. They may come after you to gain information on Itachi and Kisame.
But really, Itachi's little brother.
Huh? Do I sense another crazy scheme, Deidara?
My schemes are never crazy.
Are you gonna go after him?
He killed Orochimaru before I had a chance to. That's reason enough. Come on, Toby!
What?
You've taken Sasori's place in the Akatsuki, so you can at least try to be useful.
Deidara!